What's up, y'all? It's Jordan from North American Adventures. Today I am at Creekshead Nature Preserve, and that's in Northville, Michigan. We got a car there going behind me. It's beautiful weather today, about 50 degrees. We just got to watch out for some mud and some low spots today, and it should be relatively easy and enjoyable, which I'm really looking forward to. So let's get started. This area is flooded out completely, which is why I'm glad I brought shoes. Whoops. I don't know if y'all can see, but on these trees we got like a white triangle that's painted, and it looks like, I guess, that's what they're calling the trail marker through here. So if y'all see them, that means I'm going the right way. kind of hard to tell in the video here, but literally every step I take, I sink in further and further into the ground. It's super soft. Really, the only hard spots are by these trees. And there's a ton of fallen ones too. But it's the start of spring. Let's go! Some happy things living here, that's for sure. I don't know if this tree is hollow. But up at the top there, nice little honey hole for somebody. Okay, y'all, we're back in the car. I just finished up. Awesome day, super warm, but very muddy. I got clipped, I got wet, sunk in. Wow. Probably went about 2 miles, more like a woods walkabout than an actual trail, but it was awesome and I had a great time. Thank you guys again for coming along. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching North American Adventures. Peace.